He introduced this cylinder in 1910. But that gentleman has not only given the cylinder to the world, along with that 20 conditions he has put. Unfortunately, in our country, when it is introduced in 1964, till from 64 to day before yesterday, one cylinder blocked in Bangalore itself. I hope I remember that is in Marathalli area, I hope so. Till day before yesterday, some part of the country cylinder blast is taken place. Because of our neglect and carelessness and our non-awareness of the cylinder blast is taken place. So for that you want a safety or not? If you want safety, say yes.
Yes.
If you don't want to talk to me, if your answer is no, say like this. Yes, you can. I like this. I can understand. So since from a last 10 years we are conducting this program, because in 2004, I hope some people has been remember that in our neighbor state Kumbakonam, when the school was blasted, Sharada Vidyaniketana school was blasted at the time of the midterm food preparation time. 94 children between 5 to 8 years, they are buried in the spot. So we thought to give something to the society, and since from there, in the future also we are conducting this program with the cooperation of few people. And before starting the program, I wanted to give the thanks to Mr. Mahalingam on behalf of all of you. Of course, he is a safety person. He knows that about the safety. But when he is called last week, he told one word, "Sir, my organization is there. In my organization, so many people are working there. I wanted to give the safety of their family also. Please, he can come here and give a demo," he said. Because of that, on behalf of all of you, once again I will give a thanks and I will come to the cylinder. See, here I am not going to explain all the 20 conditions. Main important conditions I will explain. And before going to explain, I wanted to put up a question to you people. As per my survey, right from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, only the 15 people of our population is those what it contains. Simply, if I will put a question, what is a LPG? For that, you have booked the cylinder. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow you will get it. What you will call? What the item has come to your door? Which item has come? ಏನು ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ.
Cylinder.
ಏನು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್?
LPG.
LPG ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. But LPG means
Liquid petroleum
liquefied
gas.
petroleum gas combination, a mixture of a butane and a propane. Now petrol bomb is inside the kitchen. For that you want a safety or not?
Yes.
Safety is required. And how they will fill? By a pressure and a temperature. 660 pound of a pressure is inside the cylinder. It is equivalent to, this information I am not giving, but a government, PESCO has given the information to us. Most probably you know that a dynamic stick. If one dynamic stick is used to blast the rock nearly about a half a kilometer distance, nobody is not allowing. They will say, "Bande blast ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿ. But if you bundle the 7 stick and a blast at a time, how much the damage will take place? That much of the damage will be there. That is the example Kumbakonam school. So for that, what we have to do? Now you know what it contains and how it will be filled up. See, in each and every cylinder, there is some conditions they have given. But we are intelligent people, we are educated people, we will see that, we will read that, but we are not following it. See, on the cylinder itself, check seal on delivery is there. But immediately what we will do, when the cylinder is coming to our home, we will observe this cap. Or we will observe the sticker is there or not. If a sticker is not there, we will feel part of the gas has removed and he has given, but there is nothing is to measure for that. We don't have anything in our home. But the way of the checking is not that. Just to observe this cap, it is not a checking. Because in India, since from 1964 to till today, The handling is a not perfect way. At the time of the delivery, Stalin Walter has told, this has to be keep it in a safely on a rally and then it has to give the delivery. But we know how it is coming to our door. They will roll the cylinder, they will kick the cylinder, they will throw the cylinder just like a throw ball. Is it?
Yes.
Suddenly if you open this cap inside the home, just I will make a few seconds, I will make the on of the gas and I will say that it is a coincidence, I will say. See, just I will make the few seconds, I will this is the force will come out. If properly, if you are not checked, chances of gas leaking is there. Is it? Coincidence means in the meantime, any one of the family member touch the switches, accident will took place. Just you matchbox stick is there, accident will be there. More than that, we are having another danger item. Some people are having a 2 pieces. That is one for official, one for a personal. Who will guess it? That is in your hand only now. It's
Mobile.
That is a mobile. Don't keep your mobile in a kitchen. Don't use your mobile in a kitchen because when the gas is leakage is there, due to radiation, cylinder blast is taking place. So don't keep that. So what we have to do for this? When the cylinder is receiving, first you open this cap outside the house. Take little water and put it on the cylinder. Leave 2 seconds. Even if it is a minor leakage, hairpin leakage is there, when a bubble will start to come out. If the bubble comes, we are having a right to reject the cylinder, ask the delivery boy to bring the one more cylinder. I want to check, this is the leakage cylinder, I don't know. That the right, the consumer right we are having. And a second point, when I made the leakage of the gas, some of my sisters and brothers, automatically their hand had gone to near to the nose. Why?
Smell.
Huh?
Smell.
Why you have closed your this one?
Gas
No,
smell.
Because of smell. That smell is a good smell or bad smell?
Good smell.
Bad smell you are saying. But I will say 50-50. 50% good and 50% bad. Why we will go for a good in our house or factory or wherever it may be, right from a cylinder to stove or regulator or pipe, that a gas is leaking, that a smell will give the information to us. It will give a caution to us. It will give the jagrataya gantayana barsodu, that smell. Is it?
Yes.
For that it is a good smell. And another way, my brother was telling, for each and every cylinder, they are adding one methyl air captain liquid 25 grams. That is nothing but a poisonous. If we inhale that smell continuously, it will be effect on our body, it will be effect on our health. You may get cough, giddiness, or more than 24 hours you may go for a coma. Or still you have inhaled that without any passport or visa, you go to Kailasa Vaikunta without any problem. So don't inhale the gas smell, be away from that, and especially children. Don't allow them near to the stove or a cylinder because it will be affected immediately to the small babies. And the next here a switch off regulator when not in use is there. Means this a regulator. That the condition why they have given, because out of a 660 pound of a pressure, 360 pound of a pressure, this regulator will be output. Output will be there. But whereas our stove is required only 160 pound of a pressure. So when we are using the stove, another 200 pound of the pressure, it will be in a rubber tube. Is it? It will be effect where the pressure is more and more, the main defect, the effect will be here or here. To avoid that, to keep the rubber tube safely, they have given this. Here also I will take a 80 and 20. 80% of our population in India, as soon as they got up in the morning, they will make it on. Till night, it will be on only. I do not know how many people are there here. And another 20, they are intelligent people I will call. Because when they will fix the regulator for the new cylinder and once they will make the on, and until the cylinder will get lost, they are not touching the regulator because they are intelligent people. So this is the way, it will be cause for the accident. And here we have brought the green rubber tube. In a market, another two color is available, that is a red and blue color. Don't use this such a type of a rubber. To show you people only, we have brought this rubber tube. And now a orange color Suraksha rubber tube is available with your agency only. Just you put that orange color Suraksha rubber tube. Once in a 5 year you change the rubber tube, you will be safety, your family safety, your property will be safe. Because once you remove the rubber tube, Suraksha rubber tube, again you can't put it. You have to change only. And according to the rules and conditions, see, right from a cylinder to stove, 1.5 meter distance should be maintained. Condition is there in a book, but we are not following it. Those who are using this type of a rubber, say our in family, our mother, wife, sister or somebody will they say to us, some crack or there or wrinkles are there, we have to change the rubber tube. But we, gents, how we are neglecting? Immediately we will give the answer. చూస్తాను చేస్తాను పాకలాం దేకెంగే సీ టుమారో నాಳೆ నోಡ್కోమಣ ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ದೇ ವೋಂಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ನೈಫ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಂಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ and rejoin. 1.5 meter distance of the rubber tube, it will come to this size. But in a weekend, how much they will spend for this, we don't know. When we say the safety, naale nodkomana ivattu urgently. That is, please don't do like that. And here I kept the cylinder and a stove in a wrong method. I kept it. It is not the way of the keeping the cylinder and stove. Always a cylinder should be in a down and the stove should be in the upper portion. But especially in the festivals. Now recently next month the 8th Ugadi is coming. So wish you all the happy Ugadi. In our home, my mother itself, I will tell you. ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ. So they will keep the stove and they will keep it in the ground. Why? That is the wrong method. Already the pressure will be there in the tube. And we are using the oil and ghee. If you keep this stove in a ground and using oil ghee, flame will be there, fire will be there, and automatically that rubber will go on getting a heat. Stove also getting heat. So immediate effect will be there. There is a chances of an accident. For that, don't keep this stove in the inside, ground floor, and the stove should, cylinder should not be, keep it like this. Always keep it like this. And in our high-tech cities, I have observed this in some families. For them also I will call it intelligent only. Because they wanted to keep the kitchen clean. Nobody should not came to know where you have kept the cylinder. There's a cylinder, they will keep it inside the cupboard and they will lock the door. But while you think, if something is happen, not only your kitchen, the whole building will be clean. Is it not? Because always as per the condition and the rule, this cylinder should be keep it in an open area. Air circulation area we have to keep it. But you wanted to keep it inside, solution is there. Make the small holes of about 15 to 20 holes, you make it and keep it inside, then you will be the safety. Next we will come to this stove. See, in a stove 2 parts is there. Number 1, there's a switch. There's a switch approximately 15 to 20 minutes. We are 20 times since from morning to night we will making on and off, on and off. But sometime after some months it will get a full tight. In that moment we are not going to change it or we are not going to clean it. In the hell we will make it on and off. It is a practical. And sometime it will be the full loose. It is coming to our hand. Even though we are not changing, we will put some paper or cloth or thread or anything, put light 2 times and use again. That is the wrong method. That is the cause for the accident. It will be there. And a recent my experience, I will tell you, I will share with you people. Recently, I was in Hyderabad. I was giving one a demo in the factory. After the demo, that a manager has took me to his house. So he has offered for a tea. So I went to him. When I entered to his house, immediately he said, సార్ మా స్టవ్ కొంచెం చూడండి సార్ బికాస్ ఐ saw the demo fully when I entered the kitchen inside 2 burner stove but unfortunately this knob was not there for both the burner knob was not there. I was searching whether it is a fall down or anything but immediately he has given the reply to me sir అక్కడ నాబ్ లేదు సార్ మళ్ళీ ఎట్లా ఆన్ ఆఫ్ వచ్చేసి